the same. With every find we're cleaning, leaving nothing but the earth. Magnetic North Adventures, discovering our world.
Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. It's Lee from Magnetic North Adventures, and today back at the same spot as I were at the other day. Temperatures are cold. See the breath there. As forecast snow later on today, well this evening, so I thought I'd do what I could, get what I can out, and we'll go from there. So picked a few bits up already, and just show you those. Just a few bits of trash along the way, and also this broken bucket which I'm going to use to fill up. So on that one I've just got a circular file blade, and just here we've got a very large drill bit, industrial tool, pre-1950. This has just come out. It's a large iron ring, very solid, probably part of a mooring ring for an old boat. Pretty cool. So one bucket of finds. We've got wire, got that large thing there, quite heavy, those file blades, welding rods, lots of these, don't know what they are, machine parts maybe. See, lots of those, more wire, general large bar, broken pipes, bits of shards of metal, general scrap. That's got oil on it, so I'm glad that's out. Right, there we are, the scrapman's bin. Let's pick that up. So I'm going to move on to another site, do a bit more elsewhere. So moved location down here, and I've had a couple hours. Temperature's dropping, it's now -2, getting very cold. My waterproof's absolutely soaked. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the finds. I'm going to get everything bagged up. I've called the scrapman already. Right, to my subscribers, new and old, and all those people that's just visiting, thank you very much, it's very much appreciated. Please hit that like button, comment, I do love to read what you put, and remember, thumbs up or thumbs down, it still helps the channel. So whatever you want to do, it's there. This is the location that I've been, Riverdon, Sheffield. All the new people visiting the channel, if you like the content, please hit that subscribe button and push that bell button to be on so you get all notifications. Right, let's show you what we've found. So just here we've got a large piece of very early oak, and it looks like it's had a bolt at some point in there. Got this very large thick ingot. I mean, you can see just how thick it is. That's heavy. This came up, don't know what it is. It's steel, but it's a very bright colour. I'm thinking that's a machine lever of some sort. partially been in a furnace, but just make a very interesting stick, that would. Then we had this large ingot come out, very heavy. There we go, with the rib down the front. Large pork pie ingot. These are typically 1840 to 1900. Got this piece, doesn't look much, but underneath that there's a blacksmith hammer, so I'm going to be doing a restoration on that piece. We've got this piece of pipe here with stones in it. This has come out. I believe that is a pipe bung. That's going to be 1880s or Victorian. Bags of general waste, wire, bars, nails, spikes, things like these. Machine parts, nuts, bolts, screws, plate metal, nondescript. Then we got this very large bridge bolt there, very large bridge bolt, a piece of billet bar, again quite thick. These general bars, and this piece my magnet was stuck in. It's a machine hook with some bits of bar pushed through it. So yeah, that's what we've got out, and that other bit from before as well. Right, I'm gonna get cleaned up now, folks. So scrap's all bagged up, and scrapman's on his way down. Just gonna give this a sweep up. Jobs are good in. Right, there goes the scrap. Area's nice and clean, nice and swept down. There we go. Right then, folks, scrap's gone, and very tired, and it's very cold. It's -2 currently. I am a bit wet on my sleeves, where water's run down the gloves onto my sleeves and arms. So that's it. Very short video today. Managed to get out one more time before the bad weather. And looking at the forecast now, well, if you see the sky, it's very grey, and yeah, it does actually say that the snow is going to be from 7, so I want to be home before it gets dark, and want to get warm, get something nice to eat. So that's what I'm gonna do. Right, okay folks, I'm gonna get going. So thanks for watching. This is Lee at Magnetic North Adventures. Bye for now, everyone.